Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel again. I received this package after I had already did the video for the other unboxings, so I am including it here for you to watch. Thanks for watching, and y'all come back any old time. Okay, I have this package here, and I received this one after I did the video, so I'm going to go ahead and add it into the video now. This is from a subscriber that's been on my channel since the beginning. Her name is Chris. And what is that? A flower of sorts. Oh, what is it a tulip? Let's see. Look at this. It's a big bottom bulb of some kind of a flower. It says waterless amaryllis. Oh, how neat. Wow. Let me see what. And there's a card in here from her. And her name is Chris, if I didn't already tell you that. Here's the card that she sent with a little note in there. That she wrote to me. And in the bottom of it is some goodies for the girls. Little milk bone chews. Let me show you. Little chew sticks. Little milk bones for the girls and the flower. I'm going to put that in a pot right now. It says you don't have to water it. So I don't know. I've never seen anything like that before. I'll just have to put it in. I've got a couple of pots. I have to put it in a pot and try it out. So I just wanted to add that in.